Good afternoon, Ore City Middle School parents and students. This is Mr. Vincent. I just want to come to you with a few announcements today. First thing is, I want to let you know that we will be having regular office hours from 4 to 10 Monday and Thursday until we begin on-site operations again. That's regular office hours on Mondays and Thursdays from 4 to 10. If you need something, you can give us a call, or if you need to pick up packets or drop them off, you can come in the office and do that then. Please remember to maintain social distancing, to stay at least 6 to 8 feet away from our office staff as we do that for their protection. Those of you students that are doing packets online, please, please, please be sure to put your name on every page of the packet, not just the first one. That makes things very difficult for teachers. We tried to catch that this time, but if you're doing packet work, please right now make sure that you put your name on every page of the packet. Those of you that are doing work online, remember that you do not have to come and pick up packets. Every teacher should have an online presence, and you should be able to access every class that you have online in one form or fashion or another. I hope things are going well for you. I hope that you guys are finding a way to stay busy. I've got one for you that I think you're going to like, and it's pretty simple. It involves IXL. All you've got to do is work on your IXL a little bit every day, and you could have the chance to win a $10 Sonic gift card. So come in, log in to IXL, and I'm logging in as a student right here. Go through and make sure each core teacher, science, social studies, math, and English, will be giving away a $10 Sonic gift card for the student that, number one, answers the most questions in their subject. We didn't say right, we said answers the most questions in their subject, and answers at least 10 diagnostic questions a week in math or English, and masters at least 5 skills in their subject. Now, so what that means is you go in and you work in IXL. You go in and you do the best that you can in this IXL, and as you're working, you need to be working at your grade level. So if I'm a 7th grader, I'll be working at the 7th grade level. How do you know if you're mastering a skill? Look at the SMART score. When you get a SMART score of 100, then you have mastered that skill. So to win the card for math, you'll have to answer the most questions and have scored at least 100 on 5 of the skills. Now, just because you miss one doesn't mean you can't make 100. It just means that you'll have to go back and spend a little bit of time. Also, in order to win in math or English, you'll have to make sure that you go back every week to the diagnostic page, click Step into the Arena, and every week, and I think what I would do is do this on Friday, every Friday answer at least 10 of the questions you answer for math, and 10 of the questions you answer for English have to be in the diagnostic arena. So you would click here and you would answer 10 questions in math and 10 questions in English every Friday in the diagnostic. It's that simple. Every teacher is going to be giving away every core class teacher a $10 Sonic gift card. If you don't have a computer at home, but you have access to an Android or access to Apple phone, they have an app that's in the App Store that you can log on and you can do these things. Remember, you need to be answering questions at your grade level so that you can master skills at your grade level. We're giving you credit for all the questions you answer, no matter what, but you need to master at least 5 skills at your grade level. And you have to answer 10 questions a week in the math diagnostic, 10 questions a week in the English diagnostic. All teachers, students that have Miss Bell or Miss Newsom, students that are in special ed, they'll adjust that for you guys a little bit based on your needs. But this is a great contest. The contest runs from Wednesday, April the 6th at 12:01 a.m. till Wednesday, April the 8th until May 8th at midnight. At that time, we'll close the contest and we'll see what we come up with. Again, the contest runs from April the 8th to May the 8th. And it's the most questions. You must master 5 skills at grade level. You must answer at least 10 questions a week in the IXL diagnostic in math and English to qualify. If you have any questions, as always, send me a message on our Facebook Messenger. If you have questions about your work, email your teachers. God bless you. God bless Ore City.